Hi, my name is Samantha and I'm an educator here at Reid Park Zoo. We are participating in a plastic-free eco challenge and so I wanted to share with you guys a great idea to make cup of noodle soup using mason jars and ingredients at home. So to make your own cup of noodle soup, I have a mason jar, and in the bottom I put up a ground up beef bouillon cube and some miso paste. Then I'm going to add my veggies. So I have some bok choy, some sprouts, some carrots, and some mushrooms, and then I'm gonna add my vermicelli noodles. So the jar, just like this, you can actually keep it in your refrigerator for up to 5 days, so you can make several of these at once. You can eat them at home, or if you're going back to work, you can eat them at work. All you have to do to cook it is add some boiling water and let it seep for about 3 minutes. You can put the lid on. Once it's seeped and everything is cooked for about 3 minutes, you can actually add some herbs if you'd like. So here I have some cilantro and some green onions. I can just add it here, mix it up, and I have a delicious, healthy lunch ready. If you would like to join our plastic-free eco challenge at Reid Park Zoo, just go to plasticfree.ecochallenge.org and you can actually sign up to be on our team. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.